Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and first use of this Philips pasta maker. I love from scratch cooking. We have a lot of sensitivities, and so I have to be able to make some good quality pasta and sometimes use alternate flours and things of that nature. So this is a great machine. Now the one I have here is not the super fancy one. There is one that's just like this, only has a digital scale, and you'll see when I show you the top of it that it has the scale. But I have a kitchen scale, and you can buy one for far less than the extra that would come from upgrading this model. This model that I have is perfectly fine for whatever you need to do. So I'm just unboxing here. They give you that little spatula thingy to kind of, as it's extruding, it takes off the pasta, and then this one comes with 8 different discs. It comes with a lasagna sheet one, which is super useful for like ravioli and whatnot, a thin spaghetti, a thick spaghetti, fettuccine. Here's the picture of the manuals and the different discs, and all the basics, basically, like a penne and penne ricotta, because it's got the ridges on it. And then it's super easy to use. Here's the little plastic lid. Here's the surface, the digital bit here. Basically, it just has extrude button. It has the timer button. It has the go button. Here's a little storage spot here that you can fit your discs in pretty nicely. Now they do sell an extra set of discs that I don't have. It's like $40 or something. So if you're looking for shells and things like that, there are those. So here I am trying out my first dough. I just used regular wheat dough just to try it out in the recipe book that it gives you. It does give you gluten-free options as well, which is perfect. And then you basically turn it on. You put the ingredients in, and that's all there is to it. I mean, it's so simple. It's like, what's the catch? It really is a nice machine. They really thought of it. So as the dough is going there, sadly I don't have an overhead just yet, but I do later in the video. But there is the dough is going around, and then you're adding the egg and water mixture down through this slot. And if it a little bit gets stuck, I just was using my finger there to kind of help it along. And then it continues to mix it, and it has a timer that counts down. If you push the appropriate button, that mixes it for you, and then it will begin to extrude on its own. And like I said, if all of that's done and you still have more dough in there and want to manually extrude, there's an extrude only button. So here is my spaghetti coming out, and it was so delicious. And so if you're going to eat it right away, you can just sort of get the time it takes for your water to boil. This will be done. Actually, this will be done before, because I have an electric stovetop. So, and then you can just drop it in just for a couple of minutes. Fresh pasta cooks so much quicker than dried pasta, obviously, because you have to rehydrate dried pasta. Hope you check that out. I will leave links below. Thank you so much for joining me. I will have future videos on using this machine. So hit that like and subscribe button so that you are notified, and the bell icon